I'm Bo with Karcher, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to operate and maintain your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV. So let's get started. To begin using your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV, unplug from the wall and store the cord. Check the vacuum bag and replace if needed. Check to make sure the brushes are free of hair and debris. Replace the brushes. Check to make sure that the hopper is clean. When you're ready to take your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV to the job site, you'll want to start by stepping onto the platform and depressing the operator presence switch. Turn the key on. Select the transport mode you want to use. Select the direction you want to travel, either forward or reverse. And then depress the yellow foot pedal to unlock the parking brake and move the Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV. Once you've reached the job site, it's time to select the cleaning mode that you want to use. Once you're done vacuuming, it's time to get your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV ready for storage. The first thing you want to do to get your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV ready for storage is to clean any lint or debris from the brushes. Use a seam ripper to remove it safely. Clean the hopper and put it back in place. And finally, check and replace the bag if needed. The last thing you'll want to do is plug your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV in so that it can be fully charged for the next usage. So there you have it. You now know how to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Chariot 2 iVac 24 ATV. Until next time, keep it clean.